In this video, we will show how to use ActiveCampaign with KrispCall to easily make calls and view customer details. Let's begin by exploring how ActiveCampaign's CRM automatically tracks your outbound calls. We'll start by installing a Chrome extension. So here's a step for installing a Chrome extension. Open the Chrome Web Store and search for the KrispCall extension. Click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension in the confirmation dialog. Once installed, the extension will automatically integrate with ActiveCampaign's CRM, which turns those phone numbers in ActiveCampaign's CRM into an instant call icon. Just one click, and you're connected. It's that easy. After the call is initiated, you can add different tags or notes for your future reference. Now, you can access all comprehensive records in ActiveCampaign's activity log. This includes details like the agent's name, date, duration, and even lets you listen to the recording. ActiveCampaign's CRM automatically tracks voicemails and missed calls within your activity log, all readily available for your reference. Integrating ActiveCampaign with KrispCall can truly transform the way you connect with customers, making everything run more smoothly and enhancing your team's productivity. Contact our chat support for more information.